kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do subtraction up to 9. Subtraction means taking away. Look at the picture and fill in the boxes. So here total 5 sweets and out of that Raju ate 1 sweet. 5 में से राजू ने एक खा ली तो कितनी रह गई? 4 sweets. 4 sweets left. Clear? Next is subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. The sign of the subtraction is called the minus. This is the sign of subtraction. So here, total 4 mangoes. Out of that 1 take away. 4 में से एक निकाल दिया तो कितने रह गए? 3 mangoes. So 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. We can write it like this. 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. This is called the subtraction. Clear? Next is exercise 4a. Count and write. So how many balls are there? Total 6 ball minus 2. 6 में से 2 minus करना है. So 2 हम cross कर देंगे. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is equals to 4. Clear? Like this we'll do subtraction. Next, subtract and take the correct number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 3. 7 में से 3 subtract करना है. So total 7 है. So we'll cross 3. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So right answer क्या हो जाएगा? 4. 7 minus 3, that is equals to 4. Clear? Next is subtraction by counting backward. Like addition is counting forward, same way subtraction is counting backward on number line. You can use the number line to subtract 4 from 7 on the number line. It means 4 jump backward from the 7. 7 में से हमें 4 subtract करना है means we have to jump 4 times backward. In subtraction always write the bigger number first. Subtraction में हमेशा पहले bigger number को लिखते हैं. So after 7, here is number 7. We have to jump 4 points backward or 4 jump backward. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll reach number 3. So 7 minus 4, that is 3. That is the backward counting, or this is subtraction by backward counting. Next is exercise 4b. Subtract on the number line. First is 5 minus 4. So here is number 5. So we have to jump 4 times backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 1. 5 minus 4, that is equals to 1. Next is vertical subtraction. So here 5 minus 2, that is 3. Subtracting the number by writing them side by side on sleeping line, that is known as horizontal method of subtraction. This is the horizontal method of subtraction. Here 5 minus 2, that is 3. So here we are writing a number below other. Subtracting the number by writing one below the other on the standing line, that is known as vertical method of subtraction. So this is horizontal method and this is vertical method of subtraction. You can use any of method. Next is exercise 4c. Subtract the following numbers. 4 minus 3. So total 4. So we have crossed 3 because 4 में से हमें 3 subtract करना है, that is equals to 1. 5 minus 1. So we'll cross the 1. How much left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. Clear? Next, subtract the following numbers. 7 minus 2. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 subtract करना है, so we'll cross 2. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2, that is equals to 5. Next is subtracting 0. Neha had 5 dolls. She gave none to her friend. नेहा के पास टोटल 5 डॉल्स है, उसमें से उसने अपनी फ्रेंड को कुछ भी नहीं दी. हाउ मैनी डॉल्स आर लेफ्ट विद नेहा? सो नेहा हैज 5 डॉल्स लेफ्ट विद हर बिकॉज टोटल 5 थी, उसमें से उसने अपनी फ्रेंड को एक भी डॉल नहीं दी है, तो टोटल उसके पास कितनी रह गई? 5 डॉल्स. व्हेन वी माइनस 0 फ्रॉम एनी नंबर द आंसर इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. किसी भी नंबर में से 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे सो आंसर विल बी द नंबर इटसेल्फ. सो 5 minus 0 that is equals to 5. That is the number itself. Clear? Same number आएगा. Next, subtracting a number from itself. Alok had 4 balls. Alok के पास 4 balls थी. He gave all 4 balls to his friend. उसने चारों बॉल अपनी फ्रेंड्स को दे दी. So how many balls left with Alok now? 4 थी, 4 की 4 दे दी. So Alok has 0 balls left with him. When we minus a number from itself, किसी भी नंबर में सेम नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, आंसर विल बी 0. So number minus same number, that is 0. 4 minus 4, that is 0. Next is exercise 4D. Solve 8 minus 0. So if we subtract 0 from any given number, the difference will be the number itself. So answer will be 8. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now you have to practice it.